Innovation connects every step of an enterprise's exploration. We break through industry barriers and explore the limits of research and development through technological innovation. We strive to expand our professional leverage infinitely and embed it into every corner of the connectivity industry with wisdom and intelligence. High efficiency endows intelligent manufacturing with infinite power through internationally recognized certification system, connecting every manufacturing process. In micro and precision manufacturing, the concept of cost control is deeply ingrained within us. Throughout the entire manufacturing process, we pursue the cohesion of speed and technology to constantly challenge the status quo of efficiency and production capacity. Quality is assured via careful attention to detail. Through thorough validation tests, an extremely strict quality inspection process, we detect and rectify every tiny deviation. Through accumulating improvements quantitatively, we achieve qualitative change. Breaking through the limits of connection quality again and again. From intelligent manufacturing to providing services to the global world. From strict adherence to standard to exclusive customization, we make the promise of high-quality manufacturing from the first instance to connect every need and requirement. Adhering to standardized manufacturing system, we aim to innovate hand-in-hand with our customers to achieve higher precision connectivity products. Without accumulating each and every step, one will not reach 1,000 miles on our strategic path to globalization. Through support and collaboration from our employees and customers, we continuously expand to new connectivity applications and industries and convey our diverse connectivity concepts to all over the world. Signal, the engine driving technological lead in connectivity to a new era. We will lead a new direction in the vast journey towards the future.